Okay, so here are Brooke's puppies. This is our liver and white, girl 1. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Here's our liver. She's got a little white, but mostly liver. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, you're so tired. Yes, you are. And then this is boy 1. This is my male liver. He's a little smaller. And then this is boy 2. He is usually so playful, I can't even barely take pictures of him because he just wants to play. But he's tired. And let me go. And then this is our small little boy. He's not too small. Oh, you're tired too. This is boy 3 of Brooks. So, as you can see, they're tired, but they're so cute. And like in my other video, they're going to be a lot more active as the weeks go by. Even by next week, you'll see a pretty big difference. But there they are. We got 3 liver and whites and 2 of the dark brown with a little bit of white. Really pretty.